Welcome back. Ohio's Republican Governor Mike DeWine has been getting national, even international attention for his response to COVID-19 and this crisis. Politico, The Washington Post, and even the BBC have published articles and commentary pieces on how the 73-year-old governor is winning support from both sides of the aisle. To begin our look at DeWine's actions, we start just over 1 month ago on March 5th. That's when the governor got a court order to shut down much of the ARNOLD Sports Festival, much to the chagrin of Mr. Arnold Schwarzenegger. The festival brings tens of millions of dollars in revenue for Columbus, our state's largest city. The massive event features tens of thousands of athletes from 80 countries, with as many as 60,000 spectators. At that time, the move seemed radical. Ohio had not reported a single positive coronavirus case. Then, within days, large capacity events were being canceled nationwide. Governor DeWine was also the first in the nation to declare a statewide school shutdown, and even before that, he recommended all colleges and universities suspend in-person classes. Other states soon followed suit. DeWine ordered all restaurants and bars to close days before states like New York and New Jersey, which have the majority of U.S. cases and deaths. The Ohio Restaurant Association, a $24 billion industry, was initially resistant to the idea. After some convincing from state health officials, though, the 22,000-plus establishment across Ohio settled on staying open for delivery and takeout orders, banning in-person dining. The Washington Post and Politico say that Governor DeWine set a precedent in his response by delaying in-person voting for Ohio's primary elections with a lawsuit against the state the night before. The state's health director, Amy Acton, signed off on an emergency public health order to make it so. DeWine, a grandfather to 24 grandchildren, has held nearly every public office in the state in a political career that has spanned 4 decades. Governor since 2018, he has also served as Ohio's Attorney General, a congressman, senator, and county prosecutor. In an interview with the Washington Post, Governor DeWine said he is guided by his experience. He says his biggest mistakes, quote, stem from not digging deeply enough into the facts and trusting experts. They are mistakes, he says, he hopes not to make when fighting the coronavirus.